thing of beauty is a joy forever. Throughout history, fashion and living has undergone a colossal change. Yet what seems almost eternal is cosmetics. During the 20th century, the popularity of cosmetics increased rapidly, from pretty till dusk to pretty till dawn. Cosmetics have permeated individuals' lives, be it for professional artists, women, young girls, or even men. Stars Cosmetics India Private Limited, founded in the year 1952, is a professional manufacturer of cosmetics for industry professionals from film, television, theatre, advertising and salons. With an experience of more than 50 years, the company is dedicated towards manufacture of such products whose shades, textures and tones are a perfect match for the Indian skin and taste. We have our corporate office in Mumbai and a branch in Mauritius. Company vision: to provide Indian products of international quality at optimal prices. Stars Manufacturing: we thrive to deliver value for money to all our customers and have dedicated our entire resources towards product quality, optimal pricing and customer satisfaction. We have an ingenious manufacturing facility wherein products are designed and developed with the guidance of top Indian makeup artists and international consultants. The raw materials used in manufacture of our products are of the best quality and only from the most reputed international suppliers, and hence the products are accredited internationally as well. Products from Stars: we have more than 30 products from everyday makeup to professional makeup to best suit the needs of our customers. Stars Institute. With our Art of Makeup course, we aim at fulfilling our corporate social responsibility or CSR by offering the same at fees that justify and go far beyond the value. Our purpose is to provide a brilliant opportunity to the newbies to learn professional makeup and make a career in the glamour industry. Our faculty comprises of eminent professional makeup artists from Bollywood: Shri Vikram Gaikwad, an international makeup designer; Shri Pradeep Nohate, a Bollywood makeup artist; Shri Ramesh Nohate, a Bollywood makeup artist; Mrs. Rupashri Nayak has tutored more than 1,500 students. Vikram Gaikwad. Stars Cosmetics is the one and only Indian brand of professional makeup products with international quality at most reasonable prices. I use it. Just try it. You will love it. Pandari Jukkar. Stars Cosmetics products quality and result are absolutely the same as any foreign brand's products, sometimes even better. Kishore Thakkar. Stars Cosmetics offers a complete range of products we need for bridal makeup. The products are designed considering the Indian skin tone and climatic conditions. Pradeep Nohate. We are using Stars Cosmetics products since our early days. The products are of a very good quality and yet reasonable. I would say it's the best value for money. Awards. We have been awarded for our excellence in the cosmetics industry for Best Professional Makeup Products Company in Mumbai from Brands Academy in 2011 and NBC in 2012. From adding glamour to the glamour industry and making stars shine brighter. Stars Cosmetics India Private Limited is at the threshold of a new era of styling and makeup. We are here to create a national brand that exceeds international quality standards with an appeal that is truly global.